welcome to Family Travel Africa. This is Mongta and Binay with Science Experiments today. Today our science experiments is going to be by Little Passport Science Expeditions. Today we're going to be focusing on the topic of buoyancy. I think I did my first video was on buoyancy. Well, my third video is on buoyancy again. Our video. Binay is going to be here.
I'm her helper.
Yep. And so today the topic is float your boat. And this comes with it. Some of the things come with it, some of the things don't. So, 9 aluminum square sheets comes with it, as you can see here. And then from home, you'll need 50 of these. Sorry, if you can't see. 50 of these coins.
Pennies.
Yeah. They don't have to be pennies, but we just chose. I said at least 50. And then you'll need water. There's no measurement, just water. And some paper towels. And I don't know how to pronounce this word. I don't think it's basin. I think it's basin. At least 10 inches wide and 4 inches deep. This is honestly 10 inches wide and 4 inches deep. It's actually bigger, I think. Is it?
It's fine. We'll just go.
Yeah, we'll just go with it. So,
we're gonna get started?
yeah, let's do it. The first step it says here is to build 3 boats by following the designs below. So, here, you can have,
I'll take one. We have the canoe design, the fishing boat design, and the barge design.
yep,
And we're going to follow the instructions and build these boats.
So we're back, and I tried making this V shape. This is what my sister made. She did way better than me, I can assure you on that. Mine kind of turned out like this. It was a burrito.
Okay, well, this
Yeah.
V-shaped boat is actually the fishing boat design. This one is the canoe design.
Yeah.
And the last one
Is
the
a barge boat.
barge design.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty
So,
thin. And we're not really gonna do this because we don't have time. We have an event coming up in a couple. So I just wanted to tell you that if you did subscribe to Little Passports, you'll obviously have step 2 instructions. This is what you want it to look like. Design, prediction, test. I kind of got these mixed up. Sorry about that. So you guys can do that on your own, and you don't even need the thing. You could just do it by yourself. So we're gonna start by filling this bowl up 3 inches deep with water. So
Okay.
we'll get to it.
So we got our bowl here, and we filled it up to 3 inches. But tell what's next.
Actually, before we do anything, I just wanted to say I thought we had a big bowl. Apparently, we have a pretty small bowl. And so what?
Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna.
It's okay, Binay.
Okay.
It really doesn't matter. The water fits, so we're all good. And so now we're going to carefully place each of our boats in the water. And you can adjust your design if you don't want any leaks, like if you're gonna be leaks in it. And we are gonna, and then you're gonna put your prediction how many coins you think is gonna fit. I think for this one, 10 coins.
Oh no, that's not mine. Split that in half. Let's see who gets it right. I'm gonna say 15.
Sure. It's on. And then we just count one at a time until it leaks. Okay?
Do this one.
So,
Oh
my gosh.
Why is it not doing? Why is it? Uh-oh. Okay. We got
it's
it.
tilted.
Oh well, I'm gonna go for it.
Let's have it, Emma.
One, two,
Let's have it. It's a 31. I said my prediction would be 10 pennies into the canoe one. And she said it would be 15 pennies. So let's see how it works. It's kind of like tilting on the side, but it will work. Hopefully. Okay, so start. 1, 2, 3. 19, 20, 21. It was 21. So Vinay was the closest. So I guess she won. It wasn't even really a bet. Cause at least I don't owe her anything. So now we're going to try the fishing boat one. Okay, I think this will be able to hold at least 13. And sadly Binay's not here, so I'll just go with her last one, 15. Okay? So let's start. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 32, 33, 33, 32, 33. That's pretty good. I honestly think that the barging ship is going to do the best because, you know, I guess it can hold more weight and it's easier to balance the weight because it's more even and it has bigger space and more sides to it. So I think this is going to be able to hold at least 20. So let me just take a quick second to write down all of which ones. Sorry for the delay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Anyways, I'm gonna go need to get more coins for this. So I'm back, and I had to go get my mom's big jar of coins from when she was a waitress. These are all her tips. Okay, so where was I? I'm only using pennies for this. 56. 65. Oh, it drops at 65. So the best one was the barge design. Okay, so we're back, and B-Day finally decided to join us when she finished her showering. Sorry. And we found out that the barrage boat won, and the canoe had 21 pennies. The sailing one had, the fishing boat had 32 pennies, and the barrage one had 65. Yes. Okay, so why does this happen? So when you do your own experiment, you probably discover that the boat with the biggest and flattest bottom held the most weight because of the pennies, and the wide flat bottomed boats are designed to carry cargo are called barges. They carry heavy loads by spreading out the weight across the large area. And they're so efficient that they can even float in shallow waters while carrying heavy loads. How cool is that? Mind blown.
Okay.
So that's basically it for today, folks. We really enjoyed having you. If you liked it, please subscribe, like it, of course, if you did like it, and comment below for any other science experiments you would like us to do.
And please share.
Yeah, like as Azaz says at the end, share it.
Bye. I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.